Welcome to Hanoi, a city where its flavor bursts from every street corner. If you could taste a city, Hanoi would be a perfect blend of warmth, chaos, and soul. Today, we take you on a journey through the best food in Hanoi you absolutely can't miss. First up, egg coffee. The name might sound weird, but this is a must-try in Hanoi. It's strong Vietnamese coffee topped with this creamy, sweet egg foam, almost like a dessert in a cup. And the best part? You can try it at Café Giang, the OG spot where it all started. One sip, and you'll get why locals and travelers are obsessed. Next, Pho Bo, Hanoi style. You've probably heard of pho, but up here in the north, it hits different. The broth's super clear, but packed with flavor. Thin slices of beef, fresh rice noodles, just a bit of lime and scallions. No crazy extras, just pure, clean comfort. If you're near Pho Gia Truyen Bat Dan, go early. They've got queues for a reason. Now let's talk about Bun Cha. This is smoky, sizzling street food at its best. Grilled pork in a tangy dipping sauce. Served with noodles and herbs on the side. It's messy, it's tasty, and it's oh so Hanoi.
That'd be the best burger you've ever had.
And even President Barack Obama and the late Anthony Bourdain enjoyed Bun Cha together during a visit to Vietnam. Craving something fresh? Try Nom Bo Kho. Green papaya salad with dried beef. It's crunchy, chewy, sweet, tangy, all in one bite. Locals love grabbing it as a quick snack, especially around Hoan Kiem Lake. Light, flavorful, super satisfying. Last but definitely not least, Mien Luon, or eel glass noodle soup. This dish is amazing. You've got crispy or stewed eel, depending on your choice, with clear broth, slippery noodles, and crispy shallots on top. It's comforting, rich, and surprisingly addictive.
One of my favorite noodles today.
Hanoi isn't just a city, it's a flavor. From Mien Luon's smoky broth to the tangy kick of Nom Bo Kho, these dishes are just the beginning of your gastronomic adventure. Want more local secrets and immersive journeys? Tap subscribe, hit the like button, and follow Asia Pioneer Travel as we explore Vietnam in every corner.